Hi, welcome to this video. We're going to guide you through how to transfer BNB from Binance Exchange to Web3 wallet. So switch from your exchange, from your Binance Exchange to your Binance wallet and hit receive. That's one option. You can receive via basically transferring assets from your Binance account, or you can receive tokens via address, right? An address will be generated and you can just take the address and paste it via other wallet, right? You can send it from there, or you can buy with card. In my case, I'm gonna give you a closer look, right? You can do this if you have tokens and or assets. In my case, I don't, so I'm gonna show you exactly like how to go directly to BNB. Head asset at the bottom right. You can see right here the tokens that I have, or the tokens that I'm offered is BNB here, right? Now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just hit receive, right? And as you can see right here, make sure the network is BNB Smart Chain, right? So you can receive BNB, right? Or you can receive, the BNB asset or token. So copy the address, or address will be generated if you use the first method, because you already have tokens and you already chose BNB, and the network is BNB Smart Chain, obviously. So address will be generated, but in my case, I did it the other way because I wanted to show you exactly the final outcome. So consider liking this video, subscribing, turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Until next time, see you.